Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical and electronics graduate, electronic and communication graduate, mechatronics graduate. So all these people can make the best use of it. The name of the company is Wabtec Private Limited. So I will be giving the link in the description. So once you click the link, you can see the official website of the company. So once you reach the official website of the company, when you scroll down, you can see an option called View Job Opportunities. You have to click on View Job Opportunities. So there you can see almost 864 results will be there. But when you choose the country, that is in the search, there will be an option called Search. There you need to search Shahjahanpur. See here, Shahjahanpur, Shahjahanpur, and if you give a search means you will be getting 6 results. So totally 6 results are showing in that particular place. So you can see those results, and today we are going to discuss only those. So first job is deputy engineer, and job location is in Shahjahanpur. And if you want to apply means you have to click on apply icon. Before that, let us see what are the details they give. And this is the job profile of the company. You can also visit their official website and see all details. When you scroll down, you can have a description, that is they are recruiting a deputy engineer in order to provide a clear direction to activities which to be performed, and it's a cost and quality oriented. You have to ensure all the tasks to be completed. The other key responsibilities are you have to maintain the locomotives within the timeline. You will be responsible for ensuring the adherence to work scopes, and you have to encourage and maintain the safe work environment, and you will be responsible for the compliance and regulation of the project. The other qualifications are you must have a diploma in engineering with 6 to 8 years of experience in maintenance of locomotives and transportation and rolling, etc. You must be willing to work 24/7 operation, that is in different shift in various days. So be prepared for it, and you have the ability to work in shop environment and the ability to analyze the troubleshoot of fault which occurs. So other desired characteristics are you must have the ability to promote a safe and environment friendly culture throughout the office, and you must be working in a team too. And if you are willing means just click apply and apply for this job. When you come back, you can see another job post called apprentice. So if you want to apply means you can click apply. So let us see what details to give. So this is the company profile which we already saw before, and this is the official website too. So what responsibilities you will be having is you must have a learning attitude and adapt to diverse environment. You must be eager to work on locomotives, and you have to work in various shifts and must be disciplined and organized person in the office. So other roles and summary they have just given, just have a glance of it. So who can apply? So what qualification you must have? You must have diploma engineering in mechanical, mechatronics, electrical, triple E branch. So these people can apply, and if you have 60% of mark means then it's well and good. You have to follow all the instruction and adhere to it. So that's what they expect from you. So if you are willing, you just click apply. So next job is junior engineer. So same, the job location for all the three jobs are Shahjahanpur only. So if you want to apply, you just click on apply. So this is the official website, and you can also visit that. And what they want you to do is you must be responsible for the work scopes and maintain and clean an orderly process, and you will be responsible for local regulations too. So who can apply is diploma in engineering with 2 to 4 years of experience in maintenance of locomotive, and you have to work in 24/7 in various shifts, and ability to work in shop environment. So these are the jobs which they show here. And for example, if you want to apply for apprentice means just click apply button. So they will be asking you to upload your resume. Always choose apply manually, and upload your resume to whatever format they are asking, and to whatever the size of the file. It should be not more than 1 MB. So after that, you will be directed to this page where you need to enter the mail ID and password. If you already registered means then it's well and good. If not means you have to create an account. So you will be having an option to create an account. Just create an account and give all the basic details, and after creating the account you will be applying for this job. If you feel this video is useful means kindly share the video to mechanical, triple E and electronics graduate and mechatronics graduate. It will be great helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned to the channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.